In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete the My Info section step by step. By the end, you'll have your personal details entered cleanly and correctly, which helps prevent delays and keeps your account consistent across the system. First, look to the left side of your screen and click My Info. This opens the personal details page where you'll fill in your basic information. Start with your first name. Use your legal first name as it appears on your official documents. Avoid nicknames, and double-check your spelling to prevent mismatches later. Next is the middle initial. This one is optional. If you have a middle name and commonly include the initial, type just that single letter. If you don't use a middle name, simply leave this field blank. Now, enter your last name. Again, use your legal surname. If your last name includes a hyphen or space, type it exactly that way to ensure accurate record matching. You'll see an optional field for a suffix, such as junior or senior. Only use this if it's legally part of your name. Don't add it to the last name field. Keep it here so the system can recognize it properly. Click the date of birth field to activate it. Enter your date in the exact format MMDDEI. That means the month first, then the day, followed by the 4-digit year. Add leading zeros when needed, and take a moment to verify the year. Typos here can create verification issues. Type your occupation or job title. Be specific enough to reflect what you do, but keep it concise. If you're between jobs, a clear term like unemployed or student is fine if that's what the form expects. You'll then see a question about the armed forces. Select yes or no based on your current or prior service, or any qualifying status defined on the page. Answering this accurately ensures you receive any applicable benefits or settings tied to your profile. Next, review the section labeled Uncommon Situations. Carefully read each item and check only the ones that truly apply to you. These are special conditions that may change how your information is handled. If none of the statements fit your situation, select None of these apply. It's better to leave items unchecked than to guess. Accuracy here is important. Before you move on, take a quick pass through the page to confirm everything is correct. When you're ready, click Continue. If the system flags any missing or invalid fields, fix those and click Continue again. That's it. You've completed the My Info section with confidence and accuracy. Keep this information up to date whenever your details change to make future steps smoother.